So, what's up, everybody? It's Richie Junior. Welcome back to the channel. As you see, I'm wearing Chelsea, but I don't care what anybody says, especially Man United fans, because they're the ones who troll Chelsea the most. Then you'll know it. I'm joined with my cousin here. Came to visit him in his home. Good cousin of mine. He knows a lot of soccer. Maybe he can introduce himself.
Yeah, I'm called Prince. I'm a City fan, Manchester, and a Real Madrid fan, Juventus fan. Best players CR7. CR7 for life.
Yeah, we've had a lot of discussions on CR7, Messi, and it's normal. It's part of football, man. It's like that's like Arsenal versus Chelsea. There's rival Man U, Man City. Yeah, so there's a Chelsea game we lost. They lost 2-1 on my Instagram. I think I'll post it after this video on YouTube. I talked about we're still here in my up country. I talked with my other cousin. I was saying that I thought we would lose 2-1, and we actually lost 2-1. So for me, I saw that we lost coming because Arsenal very well. They needed the FA Cup more. You can give me your thoughts.
It's true. Arsenal, of late this season, they are trying, but I think Arsenal under Arteta, they are playing quite some good football. They are improving because they have defeated City, Liverpool, Chelsea. They are playing well. And if they keep on playing this way, I think so next season they'll be back at top 6. Because they are finding some consistency in their performance, which is good.
So that's good enough from thought from my cousin Prince. So another thing, who can you say was the best player of that game?
Aubameyang. To me, Aubameyang has been the best players. Those runs he has been making, he has been sharp, and I just knew if he could get an opportunity, a chance, he'll score. He's been playing some wonderful football. To me, Aubameyang is a very good striker. Despite playing in a team like Arsenal, he has been fighting for the Golden Boot consistently. Even this season, he just missed it by a small margin. So Aubameyang is a very good player. I hope he signs a new contract at Arsenal. He stays there.
Yeah.
It will be good for the club and also him. Maybe.
Yes, I definitely agree with that. I think Aubameyang was like a man of the match, especially that goal. I was even telling him that was a world class goal because you saw he wanted to low battery. Sorry, this guy. It's just a few minutes left. Aubameyang wanted to score with his right foot, but he faked it. Then he made Zuma go like that. So Zuma was already out. And then he used his left. He just chipped it over the keeper. So even I don't know. Maybe another keeper should have saved that, but obviously Kepa would have never saved that. So I don't miss Kepa personally. If he leaves, okay. If he doesn't, okay. And all I know, we just need a new goalkeeper. As simple as that. Another question: Who do you think was the manager with the better tactics or teams?
As the game started, I think Lampard was okay when Chelsea took the lead. But after some few injuries, he changed. He switched his tactics. So Arsenal benefited more. And also some indiscipline among some Chelsea players. Like Kovacic, he got annoyed, he got a red card.
He got an early yellow card.
An early yellow card in the first half. So that when he got the second yellow card, it was hard for them to come back and even score a goal for the match to go to extra time.
Exactly.
So currently, I will say, for now, I think so Arteta got it right because they won the match. In fact, they came back from behind, a goal down.
Yes, I know. I know. Prince knows. You know what I was saying in the house after the game? What was my excuse?
He said that because of Azpilicueta getting an injury, they switched the tactics.
No, and what did I say was the reason Arsenal won? I claimed they won unfairly.
Oh yeah, because of the referee, some decisions. He's saying that the referee made some decisions.
Anthony Taylor.
Yeah.
The infamous
He even
referee.
said this. Anthony Taylor supports Arsenal, so he thinks the referee was biased at some point.
Yes, this is just an subjective opinion. You don't need to listen to me. May think like Arsenal made a deal with the referee, man. Because apart from that goal, there were some certain decisions that ref was giving Chelsea. Not many, like 1, 2, but they were crucial.
But you know, it's football. Sometimes it happens that
It
way.
happens. A ref is like misses out on the small details.
Small details.
Ah, that's okay.
And you'll find on the other team is not missing on those small
So
details.
anyway, congratulations Arsenal for winning. Congrats. I've taken my L, man. If it was Man U, it would have been a different story. So Man U fans, I still love you, but remember we knocked you out. We did knock you out.
Yeah, especially this Man U fans, please relax.
Relax. He's a Man City guy. Relax.
Yeah,
Manchester
relax.
is blue, Amaje.
Yeah,
Manchester is blue. London remains blue. We are number 4, man. We are playing Bayern, which we are going to win. We are going to win Bayern. Eh?
No.
Okay, that's a discussion for another day. For now, that's it for today. You can just check my... subscribe. Tell them to subscribe and like.
Yeah, you can subscribe and like. We'll be making more of these videos.
Yeah. Kwanza, after Corona, in Nairobi, we live in our studio.
Yeah,
God
because you know school is up till next year, so
yes.
we'll have a lot of time to make more videos.
Yes, we'll even be doing video calls,
Yeah.
because he's part of the FTTV crew. Is like I added him a while ago, so
It's just that we've been having some little problems at home.
yeah,
Yes,
you know,
so that's
sometimes at home, some things happen, and you just have to be humble. Yeah, but all will be well. This he talks football so well, unlike others. You know, others just see football as a kicking the ball, but it's more about tactics, emotions. There's fun. There's so much behind football. So I love these guys, and Arsenal, congratulations. We gave you David Luiz banner. He was at Chelsea. You see this thing here, David Luiz wore it in Champions League. So be humble, Arsenal people, and bye. Have a good... When is today?
At 31st August. This
First-
Muslim holiday.
Yeah.
All to all the Muslims,
Yeah, happy
holiday.
Happy
whatever
holidays.
holiday are celebrating.
yeah.
Yeah. So
Kina, the likes of N'Golo Kante. So, see you guys. Have a good Saturday and weekend.